Hey guys, they're making a lot of progress. We've got drywall in there, dropped on the floors, and we are getting ready for our pre-drywall walk. That should be coming up pretty soon. So let's go in and take a quick tour, see what's going on, and I'll give you a quick update.
Get this through inspections and get this insulated.
Yeah, we're getting ready to do, did they come do the mechanical rough out inspection already?
Yeah, we're in the middle of it. They do
Okay.
all together, frame, mechanicals all together.
Right.
So we're down to 13 items.
Oh, that's not bad. Out of what, 40?
No, this was it. First time.
That's not too bad.
Clean trash box, whatever.
Yeah. Could be worse. I've
Yeah.
seen 3 pages of that.
Yeah, I've been banged up pretty good before.
Yeah.
Some of this was not really code, but we just did it. Let's go.
Right. Sometimes it's better just to fix it and move on.
That is where we're at. So we'll try to pass tomorrow.
But yeah, if we could pass tomorrow, that would be awesome. Sorry, I was talking to the American Legend guy who's out. The city's already come out and looked at your house for framing and mechanical, and they had probably 20, 25 items. So he's over here knocking them out so they can get them out tomorrow to re-inspect. Hopefully we'll clear that, and then that means we can get started moving forward. You guys will then have a pre-drywall walk, and we'll all come out and we'll look at the house together and just check out everything. They'll explain where everything's at, make sure everything looks good to you, that they didn't make any mistakes, that you can spot, outlet locations, TV, wall-mounted TVs, whatever. And they'll go over some basics with you, but that's the same time.
All right, guys, that's it. That was kind of nifty. Meeting the American Legend rep out here as he's fixing your punch out list from the city inspection. So they're on it, they're getting that done. He said, I don't know if you could hear me when I was walking around there, but he said we were gonna have the inspector back out tomorrow, and today's Wednesday, so that'd be Thursday. If we can clear that, then we're gonna have our pre-drywall meeting with American Legend soon. And you guys, if you decide to, I recommend it, you need to get your first of 2 home inspections done at that time. All right, guys, I hope God keeps and blesses you, causes his face to shine upon you, and until I see you again, stay safe.